हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं सब? वेलकम टू माय चैनल टेक्निकल टॉक. This is a new channel I have started a few days back. I'll be speaking with you people on various issues of life, various topics of life, as like insurance, insurance for your life, insurance for your medical, insurance for your car, and different types of insurance. We use the insurance for what purpose? The first question comes to us. First of all, life insurance is the most common people knows. Then the car insurance. Now, what the car insurance is? If my car gets involved in an accident and it get a huge loss, then I don't have to worry about repairs of my car or anybody else's car. The insurance company will pay the charges of my car and the other as well. Similarly, medical insurance that covers all my medical bills, medical problems, uh, whatever I need for my health, the insurance company will pay. Life insurance, you all know that that covers your life, your other problems. If something happens to you, you're not able to earn, then life insurance helps you to spend the life. Similarly, speaking on the loan, I told you that I'll be speaking on the loans as well. There are different types of loans available in the market. Number one, the banks offer you simple personal loans. That is the type of the loan that you can spend in anything. Like you can spend that money for upgrading your business, starting a new business, or if you want to renovate your house, then you can utilize that money as well. Uh, Other than that, the loans can be utilized to improve your business or start a new business. Now, many people also take the loans for renovation or building a new home. You take the loan from the bank or institution or any company and use that money to build a new home or renovate that home or upgrade your home, and you pay back that money in several years. That makes very easy for you. Similarly, loans can also be used for other purposes, like if you are a wedding planning, if you are planning for a trip, if you are planning to buy something for your home, then you can take small amounts of loan depending on your need. So all in all, if we think that what loans are, they are very helpful in our life. If you think in insurance, they are also a very important part in this modern time when like last few years people have suffered severely with the COVID-19. So the people who are having the insurance, the business insurance or the any type of insurance which are related to their income, that have helped them a lot. And now, on looking at the other aspect of the life, the people who don't have the insurance, they have to take the loans. Now their later part will definitely be small difficult, that they also be paying the installments of the loan and installment of the whatever they have taken to use this, and they also have to cover the current scenario of their life. So what I think, that insurance would be your first priority instead of thinking of the loan. Now, to cover these two things, we need money. What help us to get the money is proper work. Now, working these days, there are many options available in the market. Like you can say online working is one of the best options. Then investments in the money market or real estate market, there are other options. Then if we look at the tangible assets. uh, we can start business like e-commerce. We can start selling online. We can sell our product. Like I have a mouse in my hand. I can sell this on a shop, or even I can sell this mouse on the internet as well. I take pictures of this mouse, make it some uh, small attractive, and post it on social media like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, and put the option price options with it, give my contact number, and people will definitely contact me to buy this. So that would start my online business, and soon after that I can add multiple products in it. I can do many things in it, uh, like after mouse. This is a small example. Like you can start selling from even a pen, even a small battery for your mouse. That would be more smaller. So once you are started with that would do a lot in your life. That will help you a lot. So what I wanted to tell you today, that this was basically the introduction of my channel, and soon after that, in future, I will definitely be speaking to you one by one on every topic and discussing these things with you. Thank you once again, and I request you all to come on my channel frequently. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to my channel, and please also press the bell icon so my new videos will be updated to you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.